Okay guys, so I am out of that trade around about 40 pips, which is just under 1 hour, but it's Friday, terrible volume, and it's potential that that was nothing more than a pullback on a 4 hour, because if you look at the way, obviously the candles come back up to test this level here, all right, I'm not taking any chances on a day like today. If this goes all the way to take profit, I'm okay. I've got 1.5 hour in the bag on a Friday. Now, if we look at the 1 hour, you can see that we got this kind of pin bar rejection, and then we got the second one. Wick came down. On the 30-minute was my entry, right? So I was entering here quite aggressively on the basis that we got a 15-minute engulfing, right? So the 15-minute engulfing is kind of like the GFX manipulation point strategy. What I want to just share with you is that obviously this trade took a little while to get going, because in essence it's a reversal trade, and if you get in a reversal trade, obviously it can be a little bit more tricky than anything else. 30-minute time frame, we had the bullish candles, which obviously allowed me to continue with this same long bias from here. Gold overall is bullish also, but what I didn't like was, if you pay attention, you know what emphasis I put on candles anatomy, right? And when we closed above here, you can see that we closed with little to no wick at the top. So what generally can happen in that instance is we dropped all the way down to the 1 minute time frame. It's like rally, base, drop, right? And you can see how fast this is coming down now, right? So we've got the rally, okay, we've got the base, and then we've got a liquidity grab, and then we've got what's looking now like it's going to reverse, okay? So it can do what it wants from here. I'm out, right? I banked my 1.5 hour. You're not always going to get what you want, right? If we'd, you can see that I've got different markings everywhere here, right? And the reason why I've got these markings, that was going to pass my 200k phase 2, and this was going to pass my Fintokai 100k, right? That's the overall target at the top, which still may happen, but we've just traded through pre-New York session, and we're now trading into the New York session. So risk off the table, take your trade, bank your profits, okay? If I do this day in, day out, you can see that I've got a very, very high win rate. It's over 80%, right? My win rate's over 80% because I don't allow myself to go back to break even and chase the market from there on. I allow myself to take the profit, put it in the bank, and get on my day, right? I've got to go to the gym. I've got some other errands that I want to run. I didn't, start trading, so I'm sitting here in front of the screen till 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. That's not what I want to do, right? So we've got our trade. We've taken about 1.5 hour. We've taken another 2 hour in the middle of the week. We've got 2 trades, 2 wins, 3.5 hour total. That's 3.5%. Now, if that's on a 100k account, it's 3.5 grand. If that's on a 200k account, it's 7 grand. So when you add it up like that, and you got the mentality to be able to just switch off from what the market's doing and kind of pay attention to every time frame, you can see the volume in the market change. And you see on the 1 minute here, we've just you can see that the dojis, it just didn't want to push up anymore. We're coming into the 2670 level, but on the 4 hour, right, let me just zoom in here. The 4 hour, it's almost like a break and retest, right? We're not clearing the 4 hour high. We've got the 4 hour flip, okay, which could either be a retracement or it could be a complete reversal. But I'm not gonna sit here and wait my profits just disappear down the pan. That trade was what, about 2 hours long. It come back down to break even a lot quicker. So yeah, good trade all in all. Hopefully you all grabbed some profits out of that. Very choppy, very difficult to read what's going on in this market at the minute, but we're coming out on top week on week at the minute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that trade, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.